Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Amazon Relay app for drivers. Download the Amazon Relay app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and sign up by entering your personal details. Verify your identity if prompted, then log in with your username and password. Navigate to the Load Search, Load Reservations, and Facility Check-ins sections. Log in to the Amazon Relay load board. If you have saved searches, select one. If not, enter your preferred origin, destination, load type, and trailer type. Use filters to narrow your search by load status, price, and distance. Select a load that matches your preferences and submit a request to reserve it. Once your request is approved, tap Start Work and provide the required trailer and driver information. You will receive instructions for pickup and delivery. Select Navigate to begin your journey. Upon arrival, scan the QR code using the app and follow the facility's policies and procedures as provided. That's it. You're now ready to work efficiently with Amazon Relay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.